And today we're joined by the winner of the Rising Talent Award. Let's welcome in Mohit Mittal. He is Managing Director and Portfolio Manager at PIMCO. Mohit, thank you for joining us. We're glad to have you with us.
Thank you, Tyler. I'm delighted to be here.
Yes, we'll talk a little bit about equities, but of course your specialty is the fixed income area, sort of across the credit spectrum from sort of high yield all the way up to investment grade. And I would guess that your view of what's going to happen in and across the credit spectrum depends in large measure on what you see happening in the American and global economies. So let's start there. What do you see in the economy over the next year to 2 years?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think it's important to have a high degree of humility when doing any kind of economic forecasting in the current environment. There are multiple scenarios that are possible with respect to the outlook for the economy. And those scenarios depend upon the path that the COVID-19 virus takes, the path with respect to the vaccine development, and the associated fiscal and the monetary policy response. In our most likely base case, we would expect a gradual recovery to continue, albeit in a somewhat uneven fashion. However, it could be several quarters before the growth starts to approach the 2019 levels. It will be crucial to monitor how the pandemic evolves as different regions kind of ease the restrictions. And on the positive side, we have seen unprecedented amount of fiscal and monetary stimulus. This has allowed asset prices to recover significantly from the depths of March. From here on, we need to see continued improvement in the economic fundamentals to support the V-shaped recovery in stock prices that we have seen. A reversal on that front could push asset prices lower.
So let me bear down on a couple of areas, and it has to do with whether the economy is coming back as sort of a half-a-loaf economy. I went out today to pick up a graduation present for my son at a nearby retail shop. Happened to be an Apple store. Apple stock has been doing tremendously well, but it was curbside pickup and delivery, and that's what was going on at this mall. People were not going into the stores and shopping. And so I've got to think that as we practice social distancing and crowd control and all of the other allied things that we're doing to retard the virus, we are also retarding economic growth. Right or wrong?
Yeah, no, I think that is fair. I think that's why, we as I was mentioning, it will be a long time before we see growth back to the 2019 levels. There will be changes in the economy moving forward. You pointed to kind of the curbside pickup. You can kind of think about the same fashion with respect to kind of travel, air travel, or leisure activities. So there will be some longer lasting changes with respect to certain areas of the economy.
Mohit, thank you very much for your time today. We're out of time, up against the 3 o'clock hour. We appreciate your insights and congratulations on the recognition from Morningstar. We're glad you are with us today. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.